Cockroach Janata Party, the satirical online movement which has gained massive traction in the last month, it's all set to hold its first physical protest in New Delhi shortly. Its founder Abhijit Dibke has arrived in New Delhi. Massive security arrangements have been made outside the Delhi airport. He has received permissions from Delhi police to protest peacefully at Jantar Mantar. Now police officials reportedly met him at the airport. Cockroach Janata Party has now asked protesters to arrive directly to Jantar Mantar and not to the Parliament Street police station, where they had earlier planned to gather and seek permission from the police. Climate activist Sonam Wangchuk will also be joining this protest in the national capital. The Cockroach Janata Party representatives have repeatedly demanded Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan's resignation. In light of the NEET exam fiasco, numerous paper leaks over the past few years and the lack of accountability from those in power. The CJP, which recently began as an online-only discourse and movement, it gained massive traction on social media, highlighting the increasing frustration of the Indian youth. Abhijit Dibke is a political communication strategist who hails from Aurangabad in the state of Maharashtra. He studied journalism in Pune before moving to the United States for higher education. The Cockroach Janata Party was set up after Chief Justice Surya Kant referred to young people who criticized the government as cockroaches and parasites during a hearing. Kant later said that his comments were taken out of context. And for the latest, we're now being joined live by our correspondent Dharamjot Kaur, who is joining us from outside the Parliament Street in New Delhi. Dharamjot, we've seen the kind of traction CJP has gotten on social media, but how is that translated in terms of, real-world participation? What's the latest you're picking from the ground?
Well, Diksha, there is currently an announcement being made by security officials to all the protesters who are present over here to now move to Jantar Mantar, especially after Abhijit Dibke, the founder of the CJP, has gotten permission from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. today to protest at the designated site in Jantar Mantar. So constant announcements for the past 5 to 10 minutes are being made to request the protesters to move. Since morning, there have been about a couple of hundred people over here, also heavy security presence. The entire area for the 1 kilometer radius had been barricaded in the morning. Now the route has opened up for basic traffic movement, as they are telling the protesters and all the media to also move towards the designated protest site. You can hear that announcement behind me again and again in both Hindi and English. Of course, the Cockroach Janata Party representatives, the founder and also the spokespersons have asked the protesters as well to reach Jantar Mantar, since they are not allowed to gather anywhere else along the way. So as the day passes, it remains to be seen how many people really show up, how much of the youth of the country really shows up to this protest. Earlier, there were a lot of slogans that were being raised in terms of, demanding the education minister's resignation. But again, it's still a long day ahead, Diksha. There's a lot of security presence here. There's a lot of security presence at Jantar Mantar, where we'll be heading in a few minutes from now. So long day ahead. Also a big day for the Cockroach Janata Party in terms of it being a litmus test on whether this movement really translates from a digital platform and a digital discourse to actual physical, meaning on the ground. Whether or not that happens, we'll find out by afternoon or evening.
Absolutely, Dharamjot, and as we were discussing, there has been active debate about permissions and, the administrative approvals. And now that they've gotten the permissions, how visible is the police presence and how are the authorities, preparing for the protest?
There's been a lot of police presence over here. If I could just ask my colleague to pan you and show, there's been riot action police force present over here. Delhi police, of course, in large numbers. Traffic police has been diverting traffic flow since around 7:38 in the morning, especially after they were expecting the founder to land soon and reach the Parliament Street police station. But the scenario has changed a little bit on that front. What we've learned is they have got permission from police at the airport itself. So now everyone is being rerouted directly to Jantar Mantar. And again, these announcements in the background are repeating again and again. Everyone, please head to Jantar Mantar for the protest, with the designated window of protest being 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. We've also heard from spokespersons and the founder of the Cockroach Janata Party putting in online appeals again and again to keep it peaceful and to make sure that they keep their demands in a democratic yet in a civilized manner. The key demand, of course, is the resignation of Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan. But again, the security is very high. The presence of, at this point, police is more than the youth supporters and youth protesters here at Parliament Street. When we head to Jantar Mantar, it remains to be seen if that's a different scenario altogether through the Tehreek-Shah.
Dharamjot, we'll continue to track the numbers, mood and also the demands which are emerging on the ground and see if, the cockroaches can find more political resonance going forward. For now, thank you so much for getting us those details.